Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspired to meld our lives to make us fuel and fire, then know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fear. Weary heart, you'll be safe here.
Napakagandang tingnan na binadhana kayo ng Panginoon. Kayo ang binadhana para sa isa't isa. Ang inyong puso ay hindi na lamang dalawa, kundi magiging isa. Sana sa inyong pagtanda, lagi niyong sariwain ang pag-ibig na meron sa inyo. Pag-ibig na tapat, pag-ibig na buo, pag-ibig na laging nakaaga at makalina sa bawat isa. Tsara mga karda, laging umitiin ng pag-ibig at katapatan sa kabila ng lahat.
And though the world would never understand this unlikely union and why it still stands, someday we will be set free. I wanna lay down by the fire with you. Your souls are glowing, every warm or two. Your love surrounds me like a lullaby, singing softly, you are mine, oh mine. Moons never glow this color.
Kasi yung ID niya, lalaki yung picture. Tapos sinanong ko siya, sino to? Boyfriend mo? Hindi daw. Tropa lang daw niya, parang dare lang daw yun. Pero after 10 years, yung lalaki na nasa ID niya is si Jaro.
Maybe the night holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might wanna settle down, just be near, stay together.
Hindi namin expect kasi akala namin una na puppy love lang. Kasi high school. Pero ngayon, isang dekada na pala kayo. Natapos na yung love team ng Cardinal, Jadine, at ng Lisbeth. Inanis ng Carl. Karen tsaka Carla.